Welcome back, guys. I'm currently in a trade. So as you can see, it's Gold USD. I'm currently in this trade, and I'm really positive about this particular setup. Real positive about it. Even though I'm risking a lot than my initial risk, I'm risking about $40. So that's more than half percent I should be risking, right? And I'm not happy about that. Okay, I'm not happy about that because it's not about the money per se. Like if I play initially the risk 1% on this account, I should I'll be okay. But again, I didn't plan it. But the reason what I'm doing is that, or the reason why it's happening, right? I struggle to find the right lot size to use, in order to or to get to my exact rates. Because as you guys know, when you're trading features, it's very difficult for you to get your exact amount you want to lost. So that was the problem. Yeah, that's was the reason. Internet's like the only something. It's gonna come back. So that was the reason for which kind of wasting something more that I shouldn't be wasting. Okay, that was the reason for that. So as we can see here, let me just reset the internet, guys. Let me just reset the internet. Just hold on a little bit. Oh, it's cool. Okay, so let's say I'm coming about the setup price, and I'm aiming for the 4 hour high, which just happened to be on 15-minute high as well. And I'm aiming for it. And as you can see, there's a momentum when price came into the zone. There's a momentum, so I had a real confidence in the setup. Anyway, next time I'm gonna, make sure I, I kind of not go too high like with the rigs. Okay, no matter how good the setup is, there's no need for you to rigs more than your initial plan, right, guys? This about happened for me, and I should apologize for that. Like no matter how the setup is, like no matter how A plus or whatever, the risk amount is the risk amount, right? The only thing that you can do, and that's why I said like you can only reduce risk based on low setups, but you cannot increase risk based on best setups. That's my bias on this, right? So now today's Monday, and let's look at the other opportunities I'm looking at in the market, right? There's a lot of opportunity right now. So this is GBP USD. GBP USD, and I'm real confident about this one. Like there's a huge sell right here, a very huge one. No price gonna come into the zone, right? I don't know what's the fundamental for this thing that the US currency gonna get strong at a certain point, but definitely price coming down, right? Price coming down. So there's my buyers again. The market could be from right here and then just go up, and that's okay. But I have strong buyers at price coming up because uh uh we we have this daily resisting the target, right? As liquidity, right? We have a liquidity right here, target. So definitely market gonna find its way up there. And I know price going this is 15-minute time. So if I head to the 4 hours time frame, you guys gonna see to the spot I did everything. So price come here and then price go back. Price has already started coming down. Okay. So we're just gonna anticipate it and whatever happens. But then there's a very good setup. Very good setup. Okay. So network today is real bad. Real bad, guys. That's all the problem we Africans traders face. Internet. You guys can relate by internet. So there's it. And for your USD, I have a sell bias on this thing, right? I will have entered for buy because I have a trend change, and then the confirmation is I have a very structure that I say, okay, price is going up. But then if I look on a 4 hour time frame, bro, I don't wanna go against this time frame, man. If I look on a 4 hour time frame, even though prices be acting from this, inducement, but I know there's just price just gonna react and then come down again. Price not gonna take any real position from this angle. Price gonna react and then price flows down. There's just gonna be something like okay, tertiary come back, and a price has formed an opposite candle and a pullback candle. So in the next 2 hours, there's gonna be in my sell range, right? It's gonna be my sell range. So I'm not even gonna look for a buyer. Like this absolutely doesn't make sense. So that's why I have a strong buyers on this one. Like this is coming down as well. And if you look at GBUSD, which is already clear that it's coming down, right? And then your USD in our format. So buying here is just doesn't make sense. But yeah, just doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna wait because those pairs are brothers, whatever they are, they all flow together. So just gonna dance with the song. So AUD we got similar case on it. Similar case on it, see, right? Similar case on it. The same thing. I will have bad from this angle, but then same thing. This line you see here, so this a 15 a daily resistant, right? A daily resistant that they could have been swept from. So now if we get to the 4 hour time frame, internet again. Internet again, guys. Let's refresh this thing. Let's just wait a little bit. Very, very little bit. Okay, we're good. So if you look here, we're gonna have this trend change, broker structure, and price. Bro, what the hell? What? The same thing, see inducement, right? Price is gonna react from here. Price, this particular, okay, this is the 4 hour resistance. This is the 4 hour resistance. So this 4 hour resistance here, price closes above it. But guess what? The next candle, what happens? It's just down, right? It's just down. It didn't even close. It didn't maintain. Okay, my ball closed. Let me close, right? So it's down, right? And I cannot buy from it, man. I'm not so confident yet because in the next 2 hours as well, I'm gonna draw my fib and then this gonna be in my sell zone or in the first place. Okay, I don't want to do that. So potential thing, price will come here, go up. Price will come here, go up, but I have a bias on this particular pair, ADUSD. I have a bias on GBUSD, a sell bias. I have a sell bias on UUSD. I have a sell bias on ADUSD, except for gold, for which I have a bullish bias, right? I have a bullish bias on gold. And let's see a gold 4 hour time frame. Let's see. So you see for gold 4 hour time frame, is what happening? Same thing, trend change, broker structure, and this inducement here, and which already happened to be my 15 mini, father range as well. Price came here and then prices were adding. So before the weekend begin high this year, price will come and there's the daily stuff, right? It's mind blowing. I want to hear guys. So tell me in the comment section. I mean, by the time you're saying this film, I probably have already played out. So, but I could hit for this place, right? I could do it. But then let's just see how it play out. I'm already in it. So this is it. It's my trade. I have a good buyers on this trade. This might take a day or two, but then we in it. Whatever happen, guys. And once again, I'm gonna update you guys. I'm surely gonna update you guys about how this trade play out. I'm definitely gonna update you guys on how this trade play out. So just stay tuned. And to this Monday, we still got the rest of the week to trade on. So let's just go, guys. Let's see you next tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Update on XAU USD trade, guys. Today is Tuesday morning, and as the update on the trade went for about 1 to 1. Okay, 1 to 1, and then it just went against me. Okay, this trade just went against me. So yeah, what happened is that thing like, bro, what's up? Boy? Like, what's up? See the Kalamba move. See the Kalamba move. It just went against me, man. Just went against me. On the internet say again. All right, the trade just went against me. So let me just okay. And now what happens? Like I told you guys when I was taking the trade, there was I risked more than I should have, and I take responsibility for that. Okay, I'm gonna maintain a 0.5%. I'm not gonna try to make this thing bag and I start to make try to be risking 1% around. So I'm still going for the 0.5%. And now this what happens, guys. This will just this was a high probability. But that's it. They just to tell you that no matter how probability or setup can be, stick to the race, man. Stick to the plan, right? Stick to the plan. There's no guarantee. There's no guarantee that this must go. It should go, it might go, but there's no guarantee that it must go. You understand? So with that being said, let's head to our Tuesday setups. Let's see what happens. So since Monday, I been waiting for this, and I'm still waiting for this. Still waiting for price to come into the my POI, and then I can get my entry based on the 1 minute AC. And for AUD that's simply put, this is the 4 hour imbalance, right? I could look for the same thing on it, trend change, because these these four pairs, right? These four pairs been in a bearish trend yesterday. Overall, they are bullish trend, but then they was flowing down, and taking gold trade in your opposite direction of these three pairs was somehow odd. But that's what it is, guys. So now they are all coming down, and at this point, I could be looking about, right? I could be looking about. So gold is just coming down. It's just coming down, man. Just coming down. So gold is not ready. I'm not ready. I don't have any ready good setup on gold for today. But for GBP USD, I got a good setup. For egg for AUD USD, I got something cooking as well. And for Euro USD, right? For Euro USD too, I might have something cooking. So if price come up here, I'm gonna let me do this thing. Let me do this. Okay. So got a trend change, and I could be looking to sell from the zone. Our internet. That's the thing. We African traders. This is our biggest problem ever. We internet. So guys, as we wait for this to refresh, I just want you to know that like regardless of whatever setups you got, stick to the plan, bro. Stick to the plan. But we got it going, right? We got it going. So as I said, I'm gonna be looking to sell from this zone right here. From this zone. Yeah. So same price doing what it's doing, and I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, that's one thing. The patience, gotta get the patience. Trader, that's one thing. I got the patience. So price slightly enter in the zone, right? This is a bullish trend, but then I could, I could saw in the zone pushing price down. Cause price could put little push down. So I got a trend change, so I could look for a sell position here, which could be okay. Very good trade as well. So let's just go, but let's tell the 1 minute time frame so I can mark out my structure. My structure, and we just wait, guys. Yeah, so that's what happening. The challenge, we're gonna pass it. We're gonna get up here. Okay. So we have something right here. This one seems to be it. Okay, okay. This one as well. All right. So yeah. So with you now, we're just gonna wait, wait. So I could set on a light on this thing, just in case. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's what happening. This is for okay. Let me dress drag Euro USD here. So this is how I arrange. I from the beginning of the day, based on those my pairs, I look at the one I got setups on. So from the best setups coming down to low setups, they are arranging order. So the first setups I got here is GB USD. I got AUD USD. I got Euro USD. Right, and AGA USD is the last. Why? Because I clearly don't have a setup on it. That's just what it is, guys. So until then, we're gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for our trade to play out. So I'm gonna update you guys, right? I'm gonna update you guys. So we're already down. Let me check my phone. I think we should be down for should be down. It's for six one data. Okay, we are down 61 data on the challenge. Down 61 data on 5K. So we are down 61 data, and we're gonna make the back show. We're gonna make the back show. We just need one trade to catch our full hour. That's I think gonna be covered, right? It's gonna be covered, and we're gonna be in proper steps. So guys, I'm definitely gonna update you guys, right? Stay tuned. So there's Tuesday, we still got a week to go, remember, right? Let's go. Hey guys, this is Wednesday morning. We just waited all day yesterday waiting for this trade, man. We waited yesterday for this trade at a price was up here, and then we waited, price came close. So yeah, it was 7:45, 5 o'clock. We waited a lot. But price just didn't come. Price to me, tell us to what's up. At 3 o'clock, price was here, right? As they choppy, and then it just came down. But then we in the trade already. GBUSD. I told you guys yesterday that the trade was something that we're gonna take, right? And now we're already in this trade. So and that's why having a second confluence, right? After all of your your analysis and everything, but you have a particular confluence that lets you know that price has now ready to to change direction, or price is now changing direction, because that's important, right? No matter how fancy that zone might be, price might just come and just invalidate the zone. You can do nothing about it, right? So this zone here I had, man, like this was very okay. It was nice. Everything was bad. It was good. And then price came and just invalidated. But what if I didn't had my my second confluence that is having a structural change within the POIs? Then I would have just taken this love for nothing, bro. So that's what it is. And this the trade currently running. We hitting for this 4 hour high. This trade might take a day or two, but we're gonna hold, bro. We're gonna hold. We're gonna hold. Let's see how this trade play out. I'm gonna update you guys. So that is for GBP USD, and for Euro USD. Oh, let me refresh this thing. For Euro USD, let's just wait. It refreshes. While we're waiting, and let's go to AUD USD, right? So for AUD USD, this what we got. We got a break of structure. We got a break of structure, and price now enter into this POR, right? But my structure change I had here. What do I call it? Okay, so my structural shift. Okay, so it's structural shift. So the structural shift I was looking for, price didn't give me a structural shift. But now I could also look for a 15-minute structural shift. Okay, which would be a very great thing. Just if I, but if price breaks 15-minute high, and then I could look for a buy when price comes down. So that's just what ADUSD is doing. So let's go back to this, the Euro USD. To our USD on. So USD, we got something nice playing out. I love this thing. I love it. I love it. Okay, so we got a breaker structure, a breaker structure, a breaker structure, a breaker structure. Price has been going down until, yeah. Okay, so we got a trend change. We also got this trend change. Instead, you say, okay, so we got a trend change here, and then this could be a breaker structure, bro. See that? Price could be a breaker structure. So just gonna do this thing. This could be a breaker structure, what you say? Yeah, so this could be a broker structure. And if that's a broker structure, then guess what? You already know. You already know. Okay, so there's our zone. This is our zone gonna be within the buy from, guys. This is our zone within the buy from. So since I draw the zone right, let me just show you guys how the structural shift gonna be like. So let me pull the back. Okay, so for yet, oh, let me just realize. Break. Okay. So yeah, we don't have a structural shift. We have a structural shift within the POI. Yeah, there could be something, but this is not ready within the POI. Okay, it's not within the POI. I'm not gonna consider. So I'm gonna wait for a fake TC price to come to the zone with a fake TC. Well, price gave me the trenching, and then it breaks it, right? And then give me another trenching, then I could trade on that one. So I'm gonna go for a fake TC here, and that's the confluence for this one. So I would need that before getting to this, right? I will need that. We get it this way. And for AUD for USD, bro, like damn it, like this so ridiculous, man. I had a price was pulling back, and I was going to take my trade from this zone. Price came, but I just take the zone and just went death. Oh no, it was huge, man. It's really got to me, it's really got to me. So price came and just stepped in and just went down as I have my light, nothing trigger. So, oh man. And yesterday I was ready waiting for trade, right? And like I said, gotta be patient. I was patient enough, waiting. But then this is why price did. What can I do? Can I do nothing? So I just missed the entire move. But gonna see how today goes. Gonna see how it goes. So that is for USD. We already talked about 80 USD, and now kind of to gold, right? So gold gave her a loss. Uh, it was Monday, right? Monday gave her a loss. We went as far as 1 to 1, 1 to 1. So give us a loss. So now that's it. We got a trend change here on gold. We got a break of structure, and now price is pulling back. So we're gonna be waiting to trade to enter this trade once price enters our POI, right? Once price enters the POI and give her that structural shift, we're gonna enter the trade. So it's gonna be a great setup to go. Go got something cooking real well. Go, wow, go Euro USD. Those bars are really, really mind blowing. Whew. So that's what you see. That's what's happening now. So GBUSD is pulling back, and there's no doubt on this pullback, right? I love this pullback. Why? Because everything else is gonna pull back. Everything is pulling back, so we can move higher again. So they are all pulling back. That's fascinating. So I know it's pulling back definitely. Just gonna wait a little bit because this those guys are pulling back too, and then all of them want to catch up together. That's the brotherhood. No problem. So that's what we got here. GBUSD, this is what happening. Euro USD, this is what happening. ECAU USD, which is Gold USD, this is what happening. AUD USD, this is what happening. So of today, you guys know I rank my trade from the best one to the best setups to the lower best setups. And during the day, if anyone changes, I can reset as well. So GBUSD, yeah, first one. USD, yeah, second, third is Gold USD, right? So they are arranged from first to fourth, and or ADUSD. I had to wait for this fight and everything, so still a little behind. But that's it, guys. So I'm definitely, very much definitely gonna update you guys. So today's Wednesday morning, right? So we have gone 3 days of the week. So we got tomorrow and the day after, which is Thursday and Friday. So that is gonna happen, guys. So let's stay tuned. Let's keep grinding, and this channel gonna be ours, right? Definitely. So I'm gonna update you guys. Let's just order a day and then do something. As I said, I'm gonna update you guys for staying Wednesday. So this afternoon this 1:35, 1:35 at this point. So just head down to the chat, guys. So this trade I took this morning, we're gonna see uh man, we almost hit stop loss. So we got as close as we can, like 1 to 3, right? We got to 1.3, and then price is now reversing. What can we do, guys? There's absolutely nothing. So we just have to still and wait what happens. Price might reject of this area and go here to profit. Yeah, we don't know. But this what we got on GBUSD, but for UUSD, so I'm waiting for this setup and press enter this. And from the beginning this morning, I told you guys that I was waiting for a fake TC within this POI, and I actually didn't get a fake TC within the POI, right? But then we got a TC later on. So at this point, this zone is no longer valid. Okay, it's no longer valid. Why? Because price this bearish candle that closes, the first bearish candle that closes after the zone, right below the zone, the first bearish candle that closes below this POI. What happened was I was expecting this bearish candle, the next candle after it to push up to go against it, right? But then the next candle did try, but it wasn't able. So the sellers are ready in this market. Sellers are ready in the market, and there's nothing we can do. And yes, we were overthrown, and that's what happens, guys. That's exactly what happened. So the trade is no longer valid. It's absolutely no longer valid. I won't be looking to take it. I'll be looking for a different setup on Euro USD. So let's go to AUD gold USD. So for gold, I'm in this trade right now. I'm in this trade right now. So the same analysis we did this morning, we got a trend change, a broker structure within a few. I had our trend change, and now I'm in this trade. So I'm going for 1 to 2, 1 to 2. So I'm currently in this gold trade. And for AUD USD, like the USD is way too strong. The US dollar is way too strong against most of the currencies being impacted. So how the broker structure, this particular 4 hour imbalances was so much invalidated, and that's why I say you always have to have that extra confirmation within your pure eyes. Sometimes price will just step and go up, but mind you, there are a lot of times price will come into that zone and then do what it's supposed to do. So for example, the few times that it doesn't, right? So that's what happened. I would have taken this loss without that no confirmation, but then we okay. So this is what price is doing here. Invalidate the zone. I could be looking to sell, but let's see how it plays out. So there's the four out, but let's see how it plays out, guys. Let's see. We're gonna win. So refreshing. This is it. Gold. This is it. Your USD. This is it. And our trade. Let me see. Are we out of the trade? Are we out of the trade, guys? Are we out? We should almost be. If not out, let me check and see if we're out. But what if this trade just go hit their profit now? Wouldn't we be lucky? Oh, guys, we out. We out. We out. We out, guys. We out. Damn, it's crazy. So we out. It's nothing we can do. It's nothing we can do. So guys, I'm definitely gonna update you further. I just stay tuned with Total Loss. We're already down 0.5%, and with the total challenge, we are down about 1.5%. Right, we're down 1.5% of the challenge. So guys, we still going. We're gonna come out from this drawdown and get fair out. Okay, so that's just it. What's up, guys? So I'm auditing you guys right now, Thursday morning, and it's the GBP trade we took yesterday, Wednesday. And this trade, we got a stop loss on it. Yeah, seriously, a real stop loss, bro. Like, what's up? You see, the internet is like doesn't even want us to see it, but let me just refresh it, and then we're gonna look at it one more time, man. One more time. One more time. Okay, let's go. Great. So that's it. That's the trade. We took this trade, and then at the end of the day, we got our stop loss, bro. Guys, this trade went up, and market just moved against us, bro. Just moved against us. See, just moved against us. They came way down here, had a break of structure and everything going on. And we found ourselves in another trade, which was Gold USD yesterday as well. And this is the Gold USD trade against us again. We had a trend change, a break of structure, very good setup. Yet price go against us. What's up? Why is this happening? But there's nothing we can do, guys. There's absolutely nothing. Remove this because Brass didn't even reach us and let me know. There's absolutely nothing we can do. This is it. Nothing we can do. Right? So, guys, there's nothing. So this just it. I'm about to head out to the gym. So I'm about to head out to the gym. So basically, we're just gonna just just leave it as it is. Once I come, I'm gonna make a video quickly doing a recap on the true we'll be checking for the New York section, like a London section. I can see we not finding up setups, but we're gonna wait. And for New York section, we're gonna be back in the market. So I gotta go train, gotta go build a muscle. See it, guys, I go build a muscle, guys. So that's it. Let's keep grinding, guys. Okay, so guys, I'm back. So Thursday afternoon, I told you guys I was going to train, right? I'm back now from training. It's probably 45 minutes ago. So looking at the train, I told you guys from this morning for London section we didn't have any setup, but now I think we do have setups, right? We have setups, right? We have setups. Okay, we have a lie. So like this is for Euro USD. We have a trend change, and then now we'll be looking to buy from this POI. Okay, so for AUD USD, the same thing. We got a trend change, got a trend change center, got a trend change, and then we're looking to buy from this thing. But the thing about for AUD USD that it did swap the quality below the 4 hour low. Okay, so GB USD the same thing, trend change, and then we're looking for a buy. Gold USD the very same thing. Look for a buy. So like all of my four pairs have the same buyers for the day, which I loved. Like all of them in the same direction. That's an excellent buyers, right? Excellent buyers, and especially for for buy position and everything has sunk. Like for USD, liquidity was swept up below the 4 hours low, so there's a real good potential that price start getting this high. So if price comes down here, I'm gonna buy, and then I'm gonna target this high. So guys, that's why at least I'm gonna update you guys again. I'm gonna update you guys. This just what we're seeing. This is what we're looking at. This is what we're waiting for. So let's see how this trade or these trades play out, right? Let's see which one we're gonna get. Which one, whatever. So I just spoil this, guys. So stay tuned. See, but got structure right. See, it's structure. Okay, I'm bending out a little bit. Guys, it's structure. So guys, that's it, man. See you guys once I'm taking the trade. Hey, good morning, guys. This is Friday morning. It's currently 8:35 a.m. in the morning. And as I told you guys, the trade setups that we had yesterday afternoon, I told you guys I'm gonna review to you guys. So I'm taking the trade. Well, unfortunately, I didn't review to you guys. But I'm taking the trade. But I'm gonna show you guys the trades I took. Okay. So let's head down now. We saying this. So I took two trades yesterday on AUD USD. Both of them I got stop loss in it. The first one when price entered, it swept my structural liquidity, and then I had a trend change. I entered this position. Price went up a little bit, and then just reverses came down and stopped me out. So, but this is usually a liquidity sweep, right? This is usually a liquidity sweep, and a liquidity sweep often calls for a second entry. So that's why I got in again the second entry when I got the trend change after the liquidity sweep. So absolutely, this is the this trade was just supposed to go up, right? Most often it does go up. Like whenever stuff like this happen, the trade is gonna go up. But at this particular trade, it doesn't like it didn't go up, bro. It did like it that did not happen. But whatever the case is, we couldn't do anything about it. Instead, we could have watched. And if the trade doesn't go, it means that we misunderstood the market. So that just is for today. That just is for today. So Friday we're gonna do some analysis and see our bets what we can catch. Right? See what we can be able to catch. So guys, I'm gonna update you guys definitely. So see, like there was a huge drop, like this USD still haven't reached to the POI, so it's a drop to GBUSD are reaching this happens 7:15 was in on the chart. So and potentially like I know based on what's happening right now, we're like, oh, bro, I'll be skeptical in taking trades, but it's myself, man. I price definitely swept cultural liquidity, trying changing, yeah. And what I'm talking about right now, it's not. I can get at least one risk to two, right? It's lesser than that. It's lesser than that. So the price has already gone up. So for gold, go into the POI, did what they could do, nothing. And then this unmitigated POI that wasn't mitigated from the beginning now came in, and gold is now rare. While it's doing that, while it's not doing that, I definitely done that. But we're gonna check it out, right? We're gonna check it out. We're gonna check it out and see what we got. What do we have? We're definitely gonna see that. So guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm gonna update you guys. This Friday. I'm gonna update you guys. Okay, guys, it's Friday night, so we so far another week of trading, and yeah, this week been a real rough week. We took another loss again on AUD USD. So that's what happened. We got into this everything we had our trend change and broker structure. We confirmed the trade. So the liquidation happened, and then we entered the trade, but unfortunately the price did went against us. There's nothing we can do about this, and it seems like it's going in our direction now, right? But we already out of the trade. We took another loss again. So this Friday, but this week been rough, right? So far, like we took probably about five losses, 4 or 5 losses. All right, we took them this week, guys. Like, what's up? So we go again, guys. We go against next week. We go strong next week. Hopefully to recover all of the losses we've had, and okay, we passed the first phase of the challenge, right? If we do that, it's possible, and we're gonna make sure that's possible. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you have come this far, stay best by the best. It's Chris Banks, and just keep doing what we've always been doing. So see you guys on the other side, right? See you guys on the other side.